Today, I'm going to talk about our patent application, that is formulation of a composite micronutrient nanofertilizer, and what could be the effects on plant growth of this nanofertilizer. So looking at these two pictures, A and B, can you really figure out what is the difference in these leaves? Yes, it's very evident that A is of healthy, normal tomato leaves, whereas the pictures that you see in B, these are some kind of deficiency in these leaves can be very evidently seen, like it has undergone chlorosis or browning or curling, some kind of deficiencies. So what is causing these deficiencies? These are nothing but micronutrient deficiencies. So what are these micronutrients? We all know macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, which is required for the plant growth. But apart from that, there are a lot of different types of elements which are needed in very trace amounts, but they are very important for the proper growth and development of the plants. And whenever there are these micronutrient deficiencies, it will adversely affect in their growth and the development. So that is how the agricultural produce, the yield can be reduced because of this micronutrient deficiencies. So these are some essential trace elements that are required for the plant growth, like you have boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, zinc and nickel, which are involved in chlorophyll formation or activation of different types of enzymes or to maintain the integrity of the cell wall and so on. Various different functions are being taken up by these trace elements. So what is our aim? Our aim is to fight this micronutrient deficiency in the plants so that we can increase the yield of agriculture. Solution? Definitely, it is fertilizers. But today, the fertilizers that we have are the chemical fertilizers, and there are a lot of bad effects of these chemical fertilizers on the environment. So to brief, it will cause soil pollution, it will cause water pollution because it will leach out in the water resources, leading to eutrophication, increasing the greenhouse gases, depletion of essential soil nutrients and the minerals. It will also kill many soil-friendly microorganisms. Also, plants grow quickly because of these fertilizers and will lack the immune system and to fight the resistance for fighting the different types of diseases. So excessive use can do more harm than good. So Wendell Berry has rightly said that a sustainable agriculture does not deplete soils or people. And today what we require is sustainable agriculture. So what is the future of agriculture? Future is here, the nano fertilizers. So what are nanofertilizers? Nanofertilizers are some materials which are produced in nanoscales, that is your nanomaterials, and would be applied to the plants in proper doses. So there are a lot of different advantages of these nanofertilizers on the chemical fertilizers, like it will not only improve the plant growth, but definitely help them in fighting the abiotic stress as well as the biotic stress. So it will enhance the soil fertility, also enhance the rhizospheric microbial activity and help the plants to take up the nutrients very nicely from the soils. Hence it will be able to overcome this, whatever the nutrient deficiencies are there. So these nanofertilizers can be directly applied on the soil to increase the soil fertility, or even foliar spray of nanofertilizers is possible, so which will lead to the targeted application of these fertilizers on the plants. So what is our concept? Our concept is to prepare this nano formulation, which is nothing but it's a composite micronutrient nanofertilizer which will consist the nanoparticles of boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, nickel and zinc in the required proportion so that it can be used in all type of plants and it can be applied through different smart delivery systems. So this patent application is by Mahatma Education Society's Pillai College of Art, Commerce and Science Autonomous, and these are the inventors' name. Thank you.